let the trumpets blow.
Redskins is all I know. I bleed burgundy and gold. Say, oh. The Redskins is all I know, and we going to the bowl, the bowl, the bowl.
A, B, C, RG about to score TD.
So watch and break them off a little piece.
I break them off a little piece for the DMV.
Hey, Wisdom Speaks and J Priest representing DC.
So watch and break them off a little piece.
Yeah.
I break them off a little piece for the DMV.
Hey, hell to the Redskins, hell to the Redskins. Looking at the NFC East, they look like dead men. FedEx sold out, RG on the rollout, Garcon on the go route, touchdown, show out. We send the blitz down, ready, set, go. Uh-oh, Kerrigan and a Rackpo. Nation's cap, punishment, that's capital. We don't like them little cowgirls with them lassos. Clip the wings, turn an eagle to a pigeon. Go to New York, turn a giant to a midget. Flex gon' hit 'em, D-Hall pick 'em. Yeah, we hog wild, carry on tradition. WWW, we winning. Shootout, blowout, or overtime thriller. G3 got a gun, cowboy killer. Playoff goals and them Super Bowl visions, huh?